Hello and welcome. We're back with the ultimate needle and project book that I am trying to finish, that I started over a year ago. This is my UFO projects, my unfinished objects that's been laying around. And I'm making some progress. As you can see, it's already getting chunky already. But I love chunky. That just means I'm going to have to create a really nice tie for this book so that when I'm not using it, it's kept together. And if I'm picking it up to take it somewhere where everything will be tightly together. But that's another video down the road because I'm not there yet. But anyway, I have made some progress. I have sewn in one signature, and I'm thinking that I will have one more, but it won't be a very big one because you can see I can't take a whole lot more in here. So, but one more small signature I think will work. Now, remember, this is perfectly imperfect. There is nothing about this book that runs true to form for anybody who's a perfectionist. Everything is whoppy-doodled. And I love it, and I hope you'll love it too. We did look at this first page in the last video, just places to put pins and little objects, little pockets for objects like that, and scissors and things like that. Now, also we looked at this page, nice place to put needles and pins. Then this is a new page. This is part of the signature that I put in. This is a large pocket, and I have a small hook that I'm going to put in there. Another little pin cushion, and it's tight, and so I can slip this card of fibers behind it, and it will stay there. Throughout the book, I've put some of my vintage pins. So that, you know, they're decorative, also that I can put them in projects as I create them. This was put in with a pamphlet stitch, just using embroidery floss, this signature into this book. Okay, now my second page is another pocket here. Also, I have a little pocket here for whatever I want to tuck in there. I can tuck in there maybe the floss that I'm using at the moment, whatever. Another vintage pin, another place for needles. This is very secure needles into this little pleated area here. Okay. The next page is the same. It's more areas for needles and pins. Little pleated areas here, a circular medallion, moonflower that I put in here that's padded in the middle. This also is a little pocket, should there be an element that I want to carry, small element in this little lace pocket down here. Another vintage pin here. Okay. You notice that none of my pages are exactly the same size. Everything is hand sewn very roughly. All raw edges, they're just sandwiched together with an overcast stitch, the different pages. Each page is padded so that, you know, if I want to run pins through the page itself or whatever thing like that, I can do that. Okay. The back page here, I haven't done anything but put the pin on it, but I am going to, I believe this is where I'm going to hang a lot of my charms and things like that so that I can see them and know what I've got to work with. Okay, I've just added a few more project pages in here. I have a whole nother, let's see, 4, 5, 6, 7, I have 7 blanks left that I can add things to, and so that's filling up also. And of course, that's one of the things that makes it chunky, is the projects in there. Okay, this thing is probably going to stand out like this when I get through with it, and the tie will bring it back in together. Okay, so I just wanted to show you some of the things I've done. I'm excited about it already. I am going to make a pocket that will slip over the back cover, and the tie that I make for this may have a pocket on it too. Like I said, I'm not sure about that yet. I'll design that when I get to it to determine exactly what I need or I want to put there. But I'm loving it. I think it's very usable. I will have all the pins that I will ever need. I will have pockets for a little hook. I have place to slip my scissors. And if I do pocket, I may do one zippered pocket on the cover, just so that I can keep a little bit heavier, like scissors and things in there, that I know they won't fall out. Plenty of pins and stick areas. I can do stick pins and bangles and all kinds of things in there. I can do more of my vintage pins around. However I want to do it, I still have pockets that I haven't used anything for yet. Okay, and my my different charms and things like that, and my inspiration packs. These will probably not get used unless I'm actually on the go, and I just grab I grab my book, my project bag. This is going in a project bag, and I can just grab that and go. And then if I want to work on something, I got something in here that'll tickle my interest, and I can work on that. So anyway, I wanted to give you a preview of the first real substantial progress I've made in this book. I hope you're liking it. I'm loving it. It's definitely me. I think anybody would pick this up and say, yeah, Lynda made that one. So anyway, I hope you'll stay scrap happy like I am, and you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.